Hey guys, it's me again. So before I go into my third episode, which will be talking about the digital marketing process, I just wanted to share with you this beautiful view. This place is called Nishichko Vistoravan, and it is in Bosnia. It's really a beautiful place, and by the end of this video, I will be showing you some footage from my drone, where you will see the real beauty of this place. Today is a beautiful day. It's Sunday, of course, and over here it's weekend. So I wanted to give you this session outside in this beautiful atmosphere. Well, luckily it is not that cold today. The weather is it's fine. It's even what surprised me is that in the city it was much colder than this place, and this is like around 1,000 meters above sea level, which is which is a great place to come to give your lungs fresh air and quite nice oxygen. So while I have a small walk with you guys, let me discuss with you now about the third episode, and the digital marketing process. Now, if you go to YouTube or Google and just put in the search the term digital marketing process, you will find different opinions and different topics, and you will get actually no answer. Now, to me, in my opinion, when we talk about the digital marketing process, it is actually the process where you will utilize digital marketing to make your sales. Now, what is the best way to make those sales? What I think is we discussed this in my last session, where you choose your channels, whether it is social media, SEO, SEM, or you are going through the email marketing or affiliate marketing. Now, all those channels, and whichever channel you choose, it has to divert you to your website. Divert your audience, of course. The website is actually your company profile, and it is the place where you should bring all your audience through your channels to see your products or to see your services or whatever you do. Therefore, you need to bring, and like when setting your goals, and when setting and if the sales, of course, is one of your goals, you have to keep in mind that you need to bring all your channels to your website. So whatever kind of post you do, either it's on social media, or if you send advertisement, or you send anything through email marketing or whatsoever, you need always to keep a link of your website and ask the people to visit your website. Having a good, well-designed website, it can be done through WordPress, and this will be, by the way, one of the topics which I will be talking about in my coming episodes. And if you need any help, if you are just at this moment building a website, just let me know below in the messages, and I will help you and try my best to support you in that. In your website, you can have your company profile, you can talk about yourself, you can talk about what you do, and the most important thing is you can add the e-commerce part to your website. So if you are selling products, you can sell them through your own website. If you are selling services, you can also do that through your own website by creating special packages or whatsoever. So in my opinion, you always need to bring all your channels to one place, and from that place you are going to do your sales. In some cases, if you are selling products maybe on Amazon or on Noon.com or on eBay or on any of those marketplaces, then you can divert your channels to the place where you are selling. So this would be, in my opinion, the best way to do that. Many people have started their own. Started with their digital marketing plans, but I haven't seen much people diverting all their posts to the place where they want to sell. So at the end, what do you get from audience who will just like your post and not buy anything, or not go to your website, or not see your services? You have nothing. So that's why, think twice before posting on social media or send email marketing. Plan, always plan. You have to make a plan on what you want to get from your post, or what do you want to get from your channel. I'll try my best to draw like a process for you, which I will put it in this video so you can have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. And now guys, let me go and shoot up my drone in the air and show you some beautiful footage. By the way, I will show you the lake behind me from the air. I think it's frozen. I'm not sure, I have to check. I will check it later on, and we will see. Guys, take care, stay safe, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.